Can I also try this one? With only one hand and then the GoPro to the other, is it okay? Alright. So we're going to try using this one. I don't know how's it called. Swimming aid. I'm excited. There's like my phone over there recording, and then here we're going up. I'm going to take myself. Yeah, and then I have another one there. Yeah, thank you. Here's the correct entrance, right? Okay. Okay. I'm going to do it as well. To try it. It's too far. You have to walk really far just to get on top. I'm tired. Should be worth it. It should be. Oh, I'm tired. How many floors? This is the second floor. And oh, just the third floor. Not too high. Look at that. Oh, scary. I'm scared. Woo. Let's try it. And then there's another one. Can I do it using with GoPro, right? Yeah. Okay. It will be my first time. I hope I will not die.
Doon lang po yun sa mama. Yung bilog na yan.
Ay, bilog?
Opo, para doon.
For the vortex.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Kuya, pwede daw dito sa red.
Ah, hindi po.
It's too big, I think. Okay. Good luck, Wayne. Okay.
Always pull up, ha?
Oh, pull up. Okay.
Perfect. Okay.
Alright.
Baka ano ka ng GoPro, sir? Kaya?
I think I cannot. But I have to pull up.
Perfect.
Okay.
Ready, set,
Go.
go.
Nice. Thank you. Yeah, it's a nice experience, but just one time later maybe. Nice. I made it. Yeah.